Well, hello everybody. Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you a test tube unboxing. Now my friend Kimmy posted hers yesterday or day before, and I purposely didn't watch it because I didn't want to see what's coming. So I want to get this recorded so then I can watch hers. Let's see if we got the same things. So, it's always a pretty tube. And I first started getting these because I wanted the tubes. But you know, I've never done anything with them. And sometimes there's loose things in the box, but not this time. So what's it say? Gift yourself. During this season of giving, don't forget the most important person, you. From hair and body essentials to the most cutting-edge skincare, Test Tube helps you take a minute for the always essential step of self-care. So it doesn't show you what's in it or the prices. They say you can go in using this thingy. Well, when I'm recording, how can I do that? You know, can't do two things at once on the phone. So this time they just put it in the tube. So let's get started. I love the colors on it. Oh, this is a loose lid. But I think I see what it goes to. First off, we have Dermala Patch Me If You Can. Pimple patches. Well, luckily this granny doesn't get pimples anymore. So this is going to go in, you can put this in Carly's. Bound to be some of the girls still get pimples. Cleanse and completely dry the skin before applying. Peel a patch from the sheet and apply it onto a pimple. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for best results. A change in color to white indicates pus absorbance. Remove the patch by peeling it off. If necessary, use warm water for easier removal. And this is from San Diego, California. Okay, so that's a giveaway. Let's pull the thing out that this goes to. You don't have to keep holding it. Oh, good. It's a 10 blow dry Miracle H2O Shield, 100% proof. Okay, I like this 10 products. I use the one that's a leave-in conditioner, but I don't blow dry my hair. So guess what? Somebody will get this. I can see shampoo and condition as usual. Towel dry the hair and spray throughout. So that's what you do, and then you blow dry it. So that one will be a giveaway. And then we have, this looks like a bar of soap. Mega Babe Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. I'm not going to use a separate soap for my pits. It says BO control is out of this world. Activated charcoal cleanses and detoxifies, reducing underarm odor with glycolic acid and tea tree for smooth, clear pits. It's been tested on mega babes, never an animal. So directions: lather up, massage into stinky skin, pits, feet, etc. Okay, in a circular motion. Leave on for 60 seconds before rinsing. Well, this will go in a giveaway. Then we have, oh, okay, another a 10, Be Separate Mascara. Look at those gorgeous lashes. Oh, yeah. So, I don't use the mascara. Be Solo it is. That's the color, but it's a black, it says. So, Carly's Girls. Then we have Symbiosis London, HA2 plus PUL, hyaluronic acid and pollutant, tightening and replenished eye mask. Here, hold it up there. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allowed to absorb into the delicate skin around the eye area. No need to wash off. Okay, I'll keep that. I think. Yeah, because I have eyes. Then we have a shielded Face the Day Purifying Mist. It's to safeguard your skin. It says who we are. Results driven, technology focused, safety first, clean modern skincare. How do you use it? Usage, close eyes and spritz evenly across the face. I don't spritz. Away. And the last item is Neolastin Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. Okay, this might even say anything really about it. Distributed by Elastin Tech out of Greenville, South Carolina. Made in the USA. Let's open it, see if we can see what. It looks good. I mean, it looks good and creamy. I'll keep this one. So I ended up keeping two and the box. These two and the box. Now where am I going to put this? And so the other thing, see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in there. So, you know, these will go people who really would use them. No point in me keeping them here and end up eventually throwing them away. So, put that back there, back there. So what you think? I mean, I would have liked to have more things to keep, but win some, lose some. Comments below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.